Dear students, we will start today MCQ, that is equal to your potential chapter most short questions, expected short questions for second year students. मो चैनल राउत राय क्लासेस रे तमे एटा देखि परिबो. जदि किछि डाउट अछि ताले भी कमेंट माध्यम रे जानि परिबो. ठीक अछि, आसो ए विषय रे आलोचना करिबा केतोटी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, इंपोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मु नेछि देखो, एसआई यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. तुम इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल पढिलो. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल फॉर्मूला यू नो, this is called to work done per unit charge. Electric potential, this is called to work done per unit charge. से मतलब क्वेश्चन करची SI unit of electric potential. SI unit you see potential. Potential SI unit is volt, you know, but option is not in volt form. So how to find it? You see volt is equal to work done unity, SI unity, you know your joule, that is equal to, you write J. Charge, SI unity, coulomb. Okay, joule per coulomb. You see joule per coulomb, joule per coulomb, joule per, this is joule per meter, joule meter inverse. So this is called to joule by meter. Second B is joule per joule coulomb inverse. So you write joule inverse coulomb is equal to divide C. So joule per coulomb, this is equal to joule per coulomb. Okay. So if volt is not given in SI unit, you know volt. Potential unit is SI unit volt, but volt is not given. So alternative is equal to work done per unit charge, joule per coulomb, that is J by C. J by C, no. This is equal to your J by C. So if you take C2 up, this is equal to joule C to the power minus 1, joule per coulomb inverse. Okay. So B is the correct answer. Clear? Second ku jiba. You see number 2 points given. 2 points have a potential difference 5 volt. Dita point ଭିତରେ potential difference is 5 volt. This is the 2 points. Potential difference is equal to 5 volt. Okay. Work done by a moving charge. What a moving charge? Charge 3 coulomb. From one point to other. So A point ru बर्तन A point को 3 coulomb charge कला. So V is equal to 5 volt. Q0 is equal to 3 coulomb. 5 volt potential difference भितरे 3 coulomb charge move कला one point to other. So what is the work done? W is equal to that. So how to find the W? You see what is the relation between potential difference, that is potential, charge and work done. You know V is equal to W by Q0. You have to find work done. So W is equal to, you cross multiply V Q0, that is equal to V is equal to, you see 5 volt, charge is equal to, you know, 3 coulomb is equal to 15. 15 what? This is V volt into, this is equal to coulomb. So volt into coulomb, this is equal to SI unity, work done, that is equal to your joule, 15 joule. So this is equal to your answer, 15 joule. You see which one is correct answer? 5 joule, 5 by 3 joule, 3 by 5 joule, 15 joule. So D is the correct answer. You have to do like this. Otherwise, if you guess, then it may be wrong. Mostly, if you guess it, then mostly it is wrong. So try to the procedure to find the accurate answer. Which one is correct answer? ठीक अच्छी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को हम जीवा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हिच इज नंबर 3 which represents 1 mega electron volt. You see capital M small e v mega electron volt. Option is you see 1.6 into 10 to the minus 6 or this is B, this is equal to C, D. Which one is correct? You see 1 electron volt, you know 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, sorry joule. Well, 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 joule. 1 mega electron volt. You first you see this is equal to mega. You convert to electron volt. 1 mega electron volt. Mega means this is equal to 10 to the power 6 electron volt. So 1 electron volt is equal to this joule. 10 to the 6 electron volt is equal to 10 to the power 6 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 10 to the power 6. This is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power, you see, minus 19 plus 6. Your base is equal 10 to the power minus 19 plus 6. You add your powers. That is equal to 19 minus 6, 13 is your 10 to the power minus 13 what joule. So this is equal to your 1 mega electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 13 joule. You see option. This is or no. This is equal to joule, but 10 to the power minus 6 joule. It is not. You see 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 13. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 13 joule. So you choose, this is your correct answer. Clear? बुझी पारछ तेणु एमती तुमको कन्वर्ट करने को पड़ो जूल को मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट नहले भूल भाले हो ओके गेस करिवो नाही तुम प्रोसेस शिख एई अनुसार तुम करिवो जदि किछि असुविधा हला मते कमेंट कले मु बुझे देबी कोठी तमर जे डाउट अछि क्लियर नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 you see number 4 is electron volt is the unit of dash. You know unit electron volt. Number 4 electron volt ev small e capital V is the electron volt. You read electron volt is the unit of dash. Dash option is your physical quantity, mass is given, charge is given, energy is given, none. ये तीनटा भितर कहीं हुए. So you know what is electron volt. You see two terminals. This is equal to electrode of first electrode. This is equal to second electrode. When a charge means electron moves from one electrode to other or one end battery terminal, one terminal to other, it gains energy is equal to your half mv square. This is equal to your kinetic energy. This is equal to mass. This is the velocity is equal to your v is equal to w by q0. So w is equal to vq0. V is equal to your potential. Q0 is equal to electron charge of the electron. So electron volt is the unit of work. That is work is equal to your kinetic energy. So this is equal to V. So electron volt is the unit of energy. You see energy is the physical quantity. So you pick C is the correct answer. Okay. So electron volt is the unit of energy. Next number 5 SI unit of volt at a point is, you see in SI unit. Number 5 in SI unit international system V is given by 6 by x plus 2. You see potential is given in terms of x. At a point you have to find electric field E vector. at a 2 0 0 3-dimensional structure, 3-dimensional. This is called the x-axis, this is called y-axis, this is called the z-axis. Coordinate is given is this. If v is equal to in equation form, you know you have to find E is equal to dash at 2 0 0. Okay, you know E is equal to minus d by dx of v. This is called to electric field, this is called to potential difference. This is called to potential gradient, negative of potential gradient. Okay, so this is called minus d by dx. V you see, this is called to 6 by x plus 2. You see your derivative form, differentiate. This is called to, you take minus, then d by dx of 6 by x plus d by dx of 2. You know 6 by x. 6 by x is equal to your 6 into 1 by x. 1 by x, you remember, this is equal to derivative minus 1 by x square. That is equal to minus 6 by x square. Plus constant derivative is equal to 0. So this is equal to 6 by x square. This is equal to your E. But it is given point is 2 0 0. So you see this is equal to your x coordinate, this is equal to y coordinate, this is equal to z coordinate. Okay. Here you see x. So put x is equal to 2 to get electric field at any point 2 0 0. Okay. Put. बुझिपाल एटा 2 नंबरिया क्वेश्चन भी आसीपारे किंतु वर्तमान शॉर्ट डेरिवेटिव फॉर्म टा देइछि तेणु तुमको ऑप्शन रे आसीबो मल्टीपल चॉइस रे. ओके, सो ई इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट 2 0 0. हियर x you put your x, this is equal to 2 6 by 2 square, this is equal to 6 by 4. You cancel 2 3 by 2, 2 re 3, 2 re 2, 3 by 2. You see 3 by 2, this is called first option, A is 3 by 2, this is called minus 3 by 2 6 0. So your correct answer is 3 by 2. Clear? So to solve this type of a problem you have to know derivative. Okay, next come to number 6. You see number 6, relation between joule, volt and coulomb. Number 6, relation between what? Joule, volt, next coulomb. Okay, you see joule, volt, coulomb. What is the relation between these three? You have to know this is called to your joule means name the physical quantity whose SI unit is joule. You know your work done, energy, the unit is joule. You see volt, which physical quantity has a unit volt? That is called your potential or potential difference. V, you write the symbolic from unit to symbolic of a physical quantity. Okay, coulomb, you know charge. You can take Q or Q0. You see the units and the physical quantity symbols. So what is the relation between W, V, Q0? You know V is equal to W by Q0. That is potential is equal to work done per unit charge. So for V you write volt is equal to, for W you write joule, or Q you write coulomb. Okay, so you see volt is equal to joule per coulomb. The choice given A, B, C, D. Which one is volt is equal to joule by coulomb? That is your correct answer. Clear? So you have to write the relation by using fundamental symbols in formula. Fundamental, you see unit, author repeat करछु मु, unit is given, you find the physical quantity whose units are there. So this is called your symbols: work done, potential, charge. You know the formula: potential is equal to work done per unit charge. Now you write according to symbol your units. Volt is equal to joule by coulomb. This is called your correct answer. Okay, बुझी पारछ ना? Next, dimensional formula of potential. You see, 7 dimensional formula of potential. You see, for dimensional formula or SI unity or CGS unity, you have to know the formula first. So what is the formula of potential? Potential is equal to work done per unit charge. Work done, what is the dimensional formula? Force into displacement. Force into displacement, you see, divided by Q is not fundamental. So you convert Q is equal to IT. Okay. Now you write force is equal to mass into acceleration. Displacement is equal to L divided by I is equal to current, that is ampere. This is equal to time is equal to your T. You see the fundamental symbols. Now arrange proper order: M1, L square, T to the minus 2, T to the power here 1, take to top. This is equal to T to the power of minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and A power 1. This is equal to A to the power minus 1. So this is called your dimension formula. So if you know the process, then you can find the accurate answer. Otherwise, it will not give your support to choose the correct one. Clear? तेणु एटा भिडियोटा मोर देखिब राउतराय क्लासेस रु तापरे जदि किछि असुविधा हला एटा ए टाइप रो सब एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आसीबो ए टाइप रो अन्य बहुत भी क्वेश्चन अछि तमे एतिका के सिखला परे तमे आउ जदि चाहिबो सारा आ किछि शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन दियंतु ताहले मु नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे मु रेस्ट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन केते उडे तम पई रिप्रेजेंट करबी. ओके, क्लियर? थैंक यू.